Good morning students, welcome back. Standard 11, subject statistics, chapter 5, skewness. In the last lecture we have learned about question number 2. Now we are doing sum number 3, exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, question number 3, page number 196. Page number 196 of your textbook. Page may vary according to the old and new book. Now here in question number 3 what they have asked to do, information obtained for the time taken in minutes by each worker to carry out a certain job. Find Carl Pearson's coefficient of skewness from these data and interpret it. Time taken in minute is given, number of workers is given. We have to find out the Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness from the following data. Now if we see the mode here, highest frequency is only 1, that is 8. More than 8 it is not there, and 8 is also not repeated, so we will apply the formula for J, coefficient of skewness, x bar minus MO upon S. So we are required to find out x bar, MO and S. So we are starting with the sum. First step, we will find out the mid values. Mid value for this 5 to 9, 10 to 14, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. We will find out mid value for this. Mid value will be 5 plus 9 divided by 2, that is 7, 12, 17, 22 and 27. Now di is what? Xi minus a. Xi value, mid value we have got. We will take assume mean from this. Suppose we take 17 as assumed mean. Now 7 minus 17, xi is 7, a assumed mean is 17, 7 minus 17 and divide by c. C we take as 5 because the difference here is, common difference is 5. So 7 minus 17, that is minus 2, you will get it after dividing by c. So here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. If you are dividing here by c, then while finding mean, standard deviation will multiply it by c and also in mode. Now fi di we have got, frequency is this, so we will multiply 3 by minus 2. So we have got minus 6, 8 into 1 minus 1, 0, 2 and 2. Total of sigma fi di is equal to minus 10. Now find out fi di square. Fi di square will be multiplication of di into fi di. So we have got minus into minus, it will become plus 8024. Sum of fi di square will be 26. Now applying the first formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n into c. Here we have divided by c, that is 5 we have taken, so we will multiply it here by c. If we are not taking the c, then we will not multiply it here by c. Since it is continuous class, so we are taking c. Assume mean we have taken 17 plus fi di we have got minus 10 upon n is 18 into c is 5. 17 plus minus, it will become minus, we will do multiply first, that is 50 divided by 18. So answer x bar we have got a 17 minus 2.77, taking up to 2 decimal. So x bar we have got as 14.22. Second thing, mode. Mode, here it is continuous series, so we will apply the formula L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into C. Now here highest frequency is 8, so L we take as 10. Since it is inclusive class